on-off switch until the indicator light blinks red and blue. You are now ready to pair. Simply swipe the right ear cap of the headphones up and down to control volume and right and left to change songs. Flip A and C switch on to turn on active noise cancellation. To pause your music automatically, simply remove headphones from the head or place around the neck. Press the Ambient button to dampen audio, reduce noise cancellation, and amplify outside sound. Plug in the included auxiliary cable to continue listening to your music until the next charge.